Mixing equal parts of fennel and sugar candy powder and taking 2 spoons after meals twice a day cures brain weakness. Take it for 1 or 2 months, memory will improve. In case of mental weakness, kidney problems, lack of memory, 1 sweet apple should be eaten without peeling before meals. In case of mental weakness, lack of memory or heat in the brain, 1 cup of beetroot juice should be taken twice a day. Eat beetroot in salad as well. Melon seeds should also be eaten along with melon, because the seeds are capable of increasing memory and nourishing the body. Boil 4 or 5 fresh pea leaves well in half a liter of milk and filter the milk. Now add sugar candy to it and consume it. Consuming this milk daily cures brain weakness and improves memory. Black pepper is beneficial in removing brain weakness and increasing memory. Memory power increases by licking 25 grams butter with 5 to 6 black peppers and sugar daily. Memory power increases by eating ripe pumpkin. If you eat 5 ripe pea fruits daily in spring season, then memory will be improved till the next season. If your memory power is not good, then eat jam prepared in honey. To increase memory power and intelligence, rub rudraksh, bach, shunk and gold together on a stone and lick it with honey in the morning and evening in the quantity of 1 spoon. Memory of those who consume honey regularly does not become weak. Eat lychee, apple. Eat 2 walnuts daily. Memory of a person who eats walnut remains good. Mental weakness and stress is reduced by eating sesame laddu daily. By adopting these simple Ayurvedic remedies, you can remove weakness of brain of yourself and your children and increase memory.